Finding the right respirator mask is crucial, especially if you're working with hazardous materials or in dusty environments. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, 3M P95 Respirator 6311. The 3M P95 Respirator 6311 immediately stood out to me with its lightweight design and NIOSH approval, priced around $35.32. If you want reliable protection against organic vapors and particles, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The P95 reading means it filters at least 95% of airborne particles and is designed to reduce exposure to harmful vapors while painting or using solvents. It's equipped with a thermoplastic face seal that ensures a comfortable fit, making it suitable for long hours of use. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold just this past month, it's clear that many people trust this mask for their safety needs. Now, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit tight for larger faces. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for maximum protection and you're on the smaller side, this tight fit is actually a benefit. You'll get a better seal against harmful fumes. This is perfect for you if your work involves spray painting or using pesticides. Skip this one if you have a larger face or prefer a looser fit. At this price, it offers great value for peace of mind. Now, if the tight fit of the 3M P95 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the MOA RON half-face cover set.
Product number 2, the Moron half-face cover set. The Moron half-face cover set caught my eye with its comfortable, soft rubber material, and it's only $30.59. If you want a mask that provides a snug fit without sacrificing comfort, this is definitely worth considering. This mask is designed for various work environments, from welding to painting, and features a dual filtration system that reduces breathing resistance. That means you can wear it for longer periods without feeling winded. The filters, compatible with a range of options, help keep you safe from irritating vapors and harmful particles so you can fully concentrate on your task at hand. However, some reviewers noted that the included filters might not last as long as they hoped. But here's the thing, you can easily replace them with higher rated options, so you're not locked into one set of filters, giving you more flexibility. This is perfect for you if you're in a trade where different types of filters might be needed based on the job. Skip this one if you prefer a mask with built-in filters. For the price and comfort, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a reusable design, the 3M half-face piece 6300. Product number 3, 3M half-face piece 6300. The 3M half-face piece 6300 is another great contender priced at just $18.39. If you're after a reliable mask that can adapt to various filtration needs, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this mask is its compatibility with multiple filter types, making it highly versatile for different settings like sanding or cleaning. The 4-point harness ensures a secure fit, minimizing gaps that could let in harmful substances. Plus, with a large size option, it's suitable for a wider range of users. You're not just getting a mask, you're investing in your safety. Some users did mention that the straps can feel a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, if you handle it with care, it should last long enough to keep you protected through numerous projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something adaptable to various tasks. Skip this one if you need a mask for heavy-duty chemical exposure. For under $20, it's a bargain for a reusable mask. Now, if you need something more specialized, the next option is the AirGear Pro M500.
Product number 4, AirGear Pro M500.
The AirGear Pro M500 is priced at $34.99 and offers a robust design that impressed me. If you want a mask that covers you in various work scenarios, this one is definitely a strong contender. This mask is certified for protection against different gases, vapors, and particles, thanks to its A1 P2 dual filtration system.
It filters out 95% of airborne particles and is built for comfort with adjustable straps and soft materials. This is a huge plus for those longer work sessions where comfort is key. It's designed to be reusable, which means less waste over time. However, some users felt that the size could be a bit too snug for larger heads. But if you're someone who prefers a tight fit for better filtration, it works great. This is perfect for you if you're in construction or DIY projects where you deal with chemicals and dust. Skip this one if you have a larger head or need something bulkier. For its features, the price is reasonable. Now, if you're looking for something that provides even more protection, check out the 3M P100 multi-purpose respirator next.
Product number 5. 3M P100 Multi-Purpose Respirator 62023. Priced at $37.20. If your work involves exposure to both organic vapors and acid gases, you'll want to consider this mask seriously. This respirator is NIOSH approved and comes with P100 filters, which means it blocks at least 99.97% of airborne particles. That's top-tier protection. The adjustable head straps ensure a snug and comfortable fit for extended wear, and it's lightweight so you won't feel weighed down. With over 1,000 sold in the last month, it's gaining popularity for a reason. That said, a few users reported that it can be a bit bulky for smaller frames. But honestly, if you're dealing with hazardous materials, that extra bulk often signifies the superior protection you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're in a heavy-duty work environment where safety comes first. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for short-term use. It's solid value for the level of protection you're getting. So, to recap, we've covered the 3M P95, Moron half face cover, 3M half face piece, AirGear Pro M500, and the 3M P100. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the 3M P100 because it offers the highest level of protection, especially if you're working with hazardous materials. I'd avoid the 3M P95 if you're looking for a looser fit, as comfort matters in long work sessions. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.